the Dee's English Podcast.
Hey, welcome back to Speak with Cee and Dee.
Or welcome for the very first time. No judgment. You can start here. We don't mind.
We really don't. Okay, so episode 2. We are here, we are alive, we have coffee.
I have tea today, actually.
Who are you?
I'm trying something new, see? Growth.
He says growth. He's at the same order at every cafe for 4 years.
It's a green tea. It's fine.
Okay, so today, episode 2 is a little different. We have English, yes. We always have English. But today, Dee is going to tell us a story.
A true story.
A very true, very embarrassing story.
Yes.
And through that story, you're going to learn real English, the kind people actually use, not textbook English, real life English.
The kind that happens to you when you're not ready.
Let's go. Okay, Dee, set the scene. Where are we?
Okay, so picture this. I am 19 years old. I just arrived in an English-speaking country. My English, it exists, technically, but only on paper.
Only on paper. That's a great expression, by the way. It means something works in theory, but maybe not in real life.
Exactly. My English was very much only on paper. So first week, I need to go to the supermarket. Simple, right?
Simple.
I have a list. I practice the words. I am ready. I walk in and immediately I am lost.
Oh.
Not lost like I don't know where I am. Lost like everything is in English, everyone is moving fast, and suddenly my brain just left.
Your brain left?
It said good luck, and it left. So I'm walking around and I need to find, okay, this is embarrassing. I need to find eggs.
Eggs.
Eggs, the most normal thing. E-G-G-S. I know this word, but I cannot find them. So I decide, okay, I will ask someone.
This is already brave, by the way. Remember last episode? Brave.
Very brave. So I see a lady, nice lady. I walk up to her and I say, "Excuse me, where is the chicken babies?"
Chicken babies?
I forgot the word. My brain was gone, see?
Chicken babies.
The lady looked at me like I had asked her something from another dimension.
Okay, I'm sorry. So the word he was looking for was eggs, just eggs, but instead he said,
Chicken babies.
I can't.
Okay, but here's the thing, and this is actually important. What I did, it's called a workaround. When you don't know a word in English, you describe it instead.
Okay, that's actually a real strategy.
It is. My execution was not perfect, but the idea was right. So let's practice this. See, give me something.
Okay, you don't know the word umbrella.
Okay, so I would say, excuse me, where can I find the thing you hold over your head when it rains?
See? Not perfect, but a real English speaker will understand you. And that is the goal, to be understood, not to be perfect.
Never perfect, just understood.
So today's mini lesson, 3 phrases for when your brain...
Like mine did.
Number 1, sorry, what's the word for... and then you describe the thing.
Number 2, how do you say very useful? You can even say a word from your language and ask.
And number 3, my personal favorite. I know what I mean, but... and then you laugh, because sometimes that's all you can do.
And people will laugh with you, not at you. There's a difference.
Big difference.
Oh, wait, see? Can I say something real quick?
Go ahead.
So someone told me, and I will not say who, but someone told me that after episode 1, they didn't subscribe to the channel because they weren't sure if they understood what subscribe meant.
Really?
Really. And here's the beautiful thing. That person told me this in the comments, which means they found the comments, which means they were very close.
So close.
So if you are understanding what we're saying right now, even a little bit, that is your sign. Subscribe. It's the little button. It says subscribe. You press it.
And leave a comment. Say hello. Say where you're from.
Say literally anything. We read everything.
Cheers, Dee.
Cheers.
That was us drinking, by the way. Very professional podcast moment.
Very.
Okay, Dee, what happened after? Did the lady help you?
She did. She actually laughed kindly and she said, "Oh, honey, do you mean eggs?" And I said yes, and she walked me to them herself.
That's really sweet, actually.
It was. And here's what I remember most. She didn't make me feel stupid. She just helped. And I think that's what good communication is, you know? You meet people halfway.
Meet people halfway. Beautiful expression. It means you both make an effort. You try, they try. Together, you get there.
And that day, I got my eggs.
He got his eggs.
I made an omelet. It was delicious. And I learned 3 new words that day.
Which were?
Eggs, aisle, that's the space between shelves in a store, AISLE, and honey, used as a kind word for a stranger.
Oh, yes. In English, some people call strangers honey, dear, or sweetheart. It sounds strange at first, but it's warm, it's friendly.
Especially from a grandma type at a supermarket.
Especially then, yes. Word of the day. Dee, you want to do the honors?
Today's word is... we're not. Today's word is... slowly, clearly, mistake.
Mistake. M-I-S-T-A-K-E.
A mistake is something you did wrong, but here's the thing about mistakes. They are how you learn. My chicken babies moment, mistake, but I never forgot the word eggs again.
Your sentence for today, my mistakes help me learn.
Say it slowly. My mistakes help me learn.
Gently, write it down if you can. Say it out loud. Own it.
Because they really do.
Okay, that is episode 2 of Speak with Cee and Dee.
We told a story, we learned some real English, and I relived one of the most embarrassing moments of my life.
Cheerfully, for your benefit, you're welcome.
Truly, you're welcome. I did that for you.
Next episode, maybe I tell a story. I have one. It involves an airport, a wrong gate, and the sentence, "Is this London?"
Wait, that story?
Next episode.
See.
Next episode. Subscribe so you don't miss it.
She will not tell me either. I have to wait like everyone else.
See you next week. Same energy, more stories,
Better English.
and whatever Dee is drinking this week.
It was a good tea.
Speak with Cee and Dee. See you soon.